Okay, this is 528. This Tecno 528. As you can see, the phone is not charging. Like, how to make the charging port work? This is it. We plugged it and it's not working. So how to make it work? So let's go down on it very fast. Okay, no screw on it. We have screw here. This is how to fix Tecno 528 charging ports. You know, this charging port used to be hard for many of our colleagues to fix. As you can see, this is the motherboard. Okay, this is the motherboard. You remove this, the bouncer for the button. You remove it and put it this way. This is the way I put my. You get? So please make sure to remove the SIM card to avoid melting it. You remove the SIM. So after that, okay, this is how I place my. Then you apply your paste. Don't forget to apply paste. Apply enough paste because the paste will help the charging port, the charging pin to go out easily. So make use of your hand blower. This is a rework station. Okay. So as you can see, this is the way. This is my blower. Heating it. Okay. Okay. This is it. Successfully removed. Okay. Then after removing it all, then you make use of your chemical to brush and make sure the area you want to put your pot is very neat. Okay, this is it. You brush it this way. As you can see, it's very neat. See it well. So the whole legs are very connected. Like, here is the positive side of it, and here is the negative part of it. And make sure the whole legs are connected because of system connectivity and the rest of them. So let's go there. Let's proceed with the charging port. Here's the charging pin. So you can see these are four legs. Call it four legs or Q2 charging ports. So so this is how I fix my. You put your liquid red on it. This is your liquid red, which is this. This is the liquid red. You apply your liquid red to make sure the area, the legs are connected properly with the liquid red. Bring it closer for them to see how the legs are. Okay, like this is it. They are all very connected, very well connected. So let's proceed. Fix it. But before you attach it there, you first of all apply your paste. Apply your paste so that the thing will easily go in there. So you set your pot. Sorry, make sure you set it very well. Okay, set it very well. Then make use of the rework station to push it in. Make use of your reward station to push it in. So as you can see, the work is moving gradually. Yeah, it's very set. This is a perfect one. So the work is not yet done. Then you watch the Rex. Clean for it to see the Rex. Watch out for the Rex. You can see the Rex are not yet connected very well. See? So what for you to do? What for you to do for the Rex to be very connected? You apply your liquid like your paste. Apply your paste, which is this. Then you apply a little liquid red, which is this. The liquid red. Then make use of any iron that the mouth is very tiny. Like this, my tiny iron. Are you seeing it? Remember, this one is there, and why this is also here. So I make use of it to stretch the legs. As you can see, this is the way I stretch the legs. Stretch it this way for it not to reach. Stretch it very well like this. This is a very nice and neat job. So, can you see? Now watch it out. Bring it closer. Watch it out. Can you see? The legs are very connected. The legs are very connected. This is a perfect job. Nice one. So let's test and see what we got. Let's test and see what we got. Okay. Okay. Yeah. So let's wait for the results to pop up. Can you see? Wow. Very well. Thank you for watching this tutorial. Do it to subscribe, share, like, comment, and follow us up on WhatsApp. This is Zedicos Communication. Thank you very well.